Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Certified Pre-Owned E300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A AMG exterior and interior. A black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of clean floor mats. Comfort box. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, natural grain oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, also touchpad. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, glass black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging port, USB plug-in, our keyless go, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our wheel and touchpad for our infotainment system. This E300 has 21,122 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.